Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how to get Chrome extensions on your Opera GX browser. So the thing is, you can use the Chrome Web Store to actually download extensions on Opera GX. Basically it supports Chrome Web Store's extensions in Opera browser. So let's see how you can do that. First, open a new tab and then write Chrome Web Store. Once you do that, click on the first link or the Chrome Web Store link, basically this page, and then select the extension you would want to install. You can search it over here, but for me I'll just install a random one. I'll just use this uBlock origin, and once you're here, you click on Add to Chrome. Even though it says Add to Chrome, it will actually add it on your Opera browser. Like as you can see, it says that this extension is not from Opera add-on store, so its content have not been verified by Opera. Basically, even though Opera has not verified this extension by themselves, it's still usable in Opera browser. So click on Add Extension. It will do this checking and download thing, and as you can see, it has been installed on my Opera browser even though I'm using Chrome Web Store. And I can actually pin this from this square looking icon, click on this pin button, and yeah, there it is. It works right now. But yeah, this is how you actually do it. Before, you would have to install another extension from the Opera add-ons page that would let you install Chrome extensions, but that thing has been removed by Opera, and they have basically replaced it with a more unique feature, which is letting users download their extensions from Chrome directly into their browser, and this is actually a very helpful feature, I would say. Another method that you can download Chrome extensions in your Opera browser is by actually using the Opera add-ons website. So the way you do it is by clicking on this Opera icon and then going to this extensions hover thing and then clicking on this get extensions button. Once you do that, it will take you to this addons.opera.com/extensions website, and from here you can actually search for your desired extension. For me, I'll search uBlock. I'll hit enter, and there it is. Usually you'll find an extension available in multiple different browsers, such as Chrome, such as Mozilla, and such as this one, Opera. As Opera GX is now a very famous browser, I think that more or less every extension that you have in your Chrome Web Store or Chrome browser, that's going to be available in Opera add-ons as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.